these are our scales. So we have two scales. We've got this one, which is our Mettler scale, and this one is the good one, the more expensive one and the one we get calibrated. There's this one back here, I guess it's made by Ohaus. You can see it here is the blue one, and this one is the cheaper scale that's not calibrated. So this is the better scale to use. This one is just a backup in case something goes wrong. So always use this Mettler scale if we need to make any important weight measurements. So in order to use this Mettler scale, what we do, if it's not on, this is the on button right here, but this happens to be on, we're going to get one of these little trays here, and we want to put the tray on the scale at the beginning so that when we make the measurement of our powder, we don't calculate in the measurement of the tray. So we put the tray inside of the scale, we close the doors, and then there's a button right here that says Re-Zero. So we press the button that says Re-Zero, and now it's going to be read as more or less 0 again. So now, the next thing that we want to do is measure out some of our powder. So we've got our, we'll come around over to this side, we've got our powder in here. And we can open up the door, we get some of our powder out, and use these little sticks here to collect it, and then just put some onto the tray, and let's say we wanted 0.1 grams. Looks like we got pretty much exactly right there. If you can read that scale, it says 0.1 grams. And this is a very, very accurate scale. You could see it goes down, so that's a tenth of a gram, a hundredth of a gram, a thousandth of a gram, a 10,000th of a gram, a 100,000th of a gram. So it's a very accurate scale, and again, we do get it calibrated to maintain that accuracy. So that's how we use these two scales. Use the Mettler, not the blue ones. We use the white one, not the blue one, and we use these trays in order to make our measurements.